Mr. Frieden here with another math lesson for you guys. Oops. All right. So today's lesson is about median, right? We talked about that today in class, and mode and range. So mean, median, mode, and range. It's kind of what we've learned so far. So I'm going to help you guys with the first one real quick when it talks about median. So number one, it says find the median of each data set, or each set of data. So I'm looking at A right now, okay? So just this first one. Oh, that didn't work. So just this first guy. So the first step we're going to do is put it in order from smallest to biggest. So my smallest number is 32, right? Followed by 32, then 49. And something that you might want to do is, as you're going through this, is like highlight it or circle it or something so you know you used it. So that so you know you used these already, so that you don't accidentally put it in there twice. So I have 32, 49. Next I'm going to do 55, then 58, then 67. This isn't a big range, so it's not that tricky. But let me see, 58 or 55 is right here, 58 is right here, right? And 67 is right here. All right, so now I have it in order. Now the median is the medium, right? Or the middle number. So what we normally do is we cross off the first one and the last one, the next one and the second to last one, until I have either 2 in the middle or 1 in the middle. I have 1 in the middle right now, so that means that number is my median, which is 55. So that's how we do this. That's number one. That's done. We're just trying to find our middle number once they're put in order. So let's do it again. So now we're working on the second row here. So I have, what's my smallest number here? I have 3 point something, 5.4, 5, 3, 2. So 2 is going to be my smallest number, right? So I say 2.6. That's my first number. I'm going to go over here and either circle it or cross it off. I like circling it because you can still see what the number is afterwards. But if you want to cross it off, go for it. So my next number is number 2, so I have to go to the 3's. 3.1 and 3.8. 3.1 is smaller, right? So that's going to be my next number. Followed by 3.8. So let me cross those guys off. Here we go. Boom and boom. Now we're going to do, we have 4's, right? 4.4 and 4.7. So I know 4.4 is smaller than 4.7. Cross these guys off. Boom and boom. And then my last two are 5.0 and 5.2. And we know 5.0 is smaller than 5.2. If you're ever confused on these decimals, remember, think of it like money. This is like $2.60. This is like $3.10 and $3.80, right? Just pretend there's an extra 0 here after these numbers. Maybe it'll help you guys realize which ones are smaller. All right, so like we did last time, when we're finding the median, we're going to get rid of the first one, get rid of the last one, and then keep crossing them off until we get to the middle. Boom, boom. I have this one that's straight in the middle. There's no, right? I crossed off 3, and this one's straight in the middle. So that is my answer, 4.4. All right, let me see. I'm going to try one more with you guys. All right, so this is the last one I'm going to work on with you guys. This is number 4. I'm skipping all the way to the bottom because I wanted to go over all these real quick. So it says the table gives typing speeds for 12 students in words per minute, WPM. Find the following for this set of data. So again, like we've been doing, the first step what we're going to do is put it in order from smallest to biggest. And we're doing all of these kids right here. So the smallest number I see in this row is 13. That's the smallest number, right? So I see 13. I'm going to go here and then, I'm just going to put a box around the ones I used already. Okay. So 13. The next number is going to be 15, right? Is there anything smaller than that? No. So I'm going to use 15 next. So, and then the next number is 18, right? So you guys should be able to do this on your own. Separate them by commas so we know there's a number there. So 13, 15, 18. Let's get the rest of it done. One sec. So the next number I see is 24. And so this is the reason why I say to box these, because there's 24 here, but then there's another one over here, right? So I need to put it again. And then there's another one over here. So that's why I need to keep tabs of which ones I've written down. That's why we have to write it here. All right, 24, 24, 24. Next is going to be somewhere in the 20s. So I have 27 and 28. So let's put those two. So 27, 28. Again, put boxes around it, circle them, however you want to mark that you already put them in. And then I'm done with my 20s. Now I have 30s. I have 30, 31, 31, 35. So let's just do those four real quick. 30, 31, 31, and 35. And then, again, box them up. I got rid of all these guys. And there we go. I have them in order now. So to my range, remember your range is your biggest number or your maximum, and minus your smallest number. So my biggest number here is 35. It should be easy if I put it in order. Minus 13. And that's going to give me a number, right? It should be 22. If I did that right, there you go. Then the mean is going to be when you take all these numbers and add them up. So I have to do 13 plus 15 plus 18 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 27 plus 28 plus 30 plus 31 plus 31 plus 35. And then I should get a number. I'm going to cheat and use a calculator, guys. So 1 second. All right, so once I added them all together, I'm writing in red now, I got 300. So what we do, after I added all of these together and I got 300, I have to divide it by however many numbers I have. Luckily, it tells me there's 12 numbers, right? And I can double check and count. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I have to do 300 divided by 12. So you can work it out, or you can cheat like me. I'm using my calculator. Let me see here. I'm going to say 300. See, there's my numbers. I added them all together. Now I have 300. I'm going to divide by 12. And I'm going to get 25. So my mean is 25. That basically means my average. My average of all these guys equals 25. Okay, so for my range is 22. My mean is 25. My median is the middle number. So that's the one where you have to cross these guys off, right? So cross off here, 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 cross off here. Now this is what I'm talking about. I can't just cross off here, right? Because I wouldn't have a straight middle one. These two are in the middle. So if you guys remember what we do when there's two that are in the middle, I'm going to do it in a different color now. I'm going to say my two middle numbers are 24 and 27. I'm going to add them together and then divide by 2. So 24 plus 27 is 51. And then I'm going to take 51 and divide it by 2. Divide by 2. When I get 51 divided by 2, you guys can either work it out or you can even use a calculator, divide it by 2. Oops, I put 52. 51 divided by, oops. It's important to clear everything. There you go. 51 divided by 2 equals 25.5. So that is my median, the number that's right in the middle of everything, 25.5. All right, my last thing I'm going to do is the mode, and the mode is the one that shows up the most often. So what number shows up the most often? Well, 13's once, 15's once, 18's once, 24 I see it 3 times, right? 1, 2, 3. Any other numbers I see more than once? No, no, no. 31 I see twice, but the ones that show up the most often are these 24s. That means the mode is 24. So that is how we do this. There's our answers. Hopefully you guys got a taste of all 4 modes we're doing here. So range, mean, median, and mode. So there we go. Good luck on this rest of the homework assignment. Have a good day.